Nationals in Phillies from CBP. Roy Halladay on the hill in this one. 11-1 in his career against the Nationals franchise, but top three with two on. Bryce Harper has his number.
Breaking ball, he rams it into the gap. Zimmerman will score. Here comes Lombardozzi right behind him. Harper going for three. The Nationals lead 2-1.
Harper would later score on a sac fly to give the Nats a 3-1 lead, and that was Harper's second hit versus Halladay in the game. Later in the inning, Ian Desmond. He's going to golf one out. Number 8 for Desmond, a solo shot. And the Nationals take a 4-1 lead. Desmond quickly getting to his career high in home runs, which stands at 10. Next up during Danny Espinosa's at bat. Pitch called inside. Carlos Ruiz doesn't like it. Has some words for home plate umpire Gary Cederstrom, who tosses Ruiz from the ball game. Charlie Manuel would argue a bit, but to no avail. And Chooch gone. He would be replaced by Brian Schneider. Top four, how about Rick Ankiel?
Ankiel puts a charge into this one to center field. And it is gone. Almost the same bush where Desmond hit his last night. And Rick Ankiel's third of the year makes it 5-1.
So the Nationals hit up Halladay for 5 runs in 6 innings. To the bottom of the inning, runners on the corners, 2 out. Juan Pierre to second base, and Espinosa able to make the play to end the threat. Bottom 5, Jordan Zimmerman puts down Hector Luna. The Phillies go 1 for 7 with runners in scoring position. Zimmerman allows 1 run in 6 frames. Bottom 8, still 5-1. Pinch hitter Eric Kratz with his first career home run. Kratz called up because Jimmy Rollins is gone from the team on paternity leave. That would make it a 5-2 ball game, but that's as close as the Phils would get. Bottom 9, Tyler Clippard gets Placido Polanco to ground out to end it, and the Nationals take it by a final of 5-2. First save of the year for Clippard. Zimmerman picks up his 3rd win, and Halladay falls to 11-2 in his career against the Nationals franchise. The Nats run the Phillies skid to 4, and Washington has won 3 straight.